Use the L-shaped wrench in the package to loosen the screws, then adjust the position of the outer small wheel according to the thickness of the door and fix it. Supports a minimum door panel thickness of 10 mm. Supports a maximum door panel thickness of 50 mm. The gap between the door and the ground should be greater than this distance. Before installation, you need to bring the following tools by yourself. The first step is to move the door stopper on the track to the edge or remove it. Thank you for watching.